Hi students, in the previous lecture we have already discussed about the general method of preparation of alkenes. In the last one reaction we have already shown the formation of alkene. So this reaction in the previous video has already been discussed. Now we are going to explain the mechanism of the dehydration of alcohol. Mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. Mechanism of dehydration of alcohols. Now, first we are going to state that what is the mechanism for a reaction. The definition of the mechanism, it is a stepwise pathway by which a reaction is going to completion. By which a reaction is going to completion. Now we are going to explain the mechanism for the dehydration of alcohol. For the dehydration of alcohol. This oxygen has lone pair of electron, while the structure of H2SO4 now will be, as you know, this is the structure of H2SO4. It carries partial positive charge. The next one, hydrogen, also carry partial positive charge. This is carrying partial negative charge, and having double bond with oxygen and sulfur. Now, this alcohol will be protonated, and this alcohol will be protonated by the lone pair of electrons. Now, the product will become as this one is the product. This one is the product. Now already this hydrogen is protonated to this alcohol. So this hydrogen is shown here. Now it carries a lone pair of electron. So in the next we are going to form the alkene. How the alkene will be formed? Now this one will become as so as you know that this is it's very easy, students. There is no any confusion regarding this one topic. So again, this two lone pair of electron will, and this hydrogen will be removed. This hydrogen will be removed. And from this point, this hydrogen will be shifted toward oxygen. This hydrogen will be shifted toward oxygen. And here this single bond is made from two unpaired electrons. Now this one, here carbon has one unpaired electron, while hydrogen has one unpaired electron. Here in this bond there are also two electrons, which is an electron pair. Now one pair is made from two unpaired electrons, and it means from single electrons, Now this will electron will be shifted here and this will electron will be shifted there. So the water molecule will be removed easily. So this will become as just like this, and it become again H2SO4. It will bond with this one, again it will become H2SO4. So this one is the H2. This all mechanism is just for this one reaction. So this is alkene. This is how alkene is prepared through a mechanism. How the formation occur? By mechanism. Now this all mechanism has called this one reaction. This is 170 degree and H2SO4, and it will give